If you want to keep your customer information organized and easy to access, learning how to manage contacts in Salesforce is essential. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will understand how to create, update, and organize contacts step by step, even if you have zero experience. Managing contacts properly helps you maintain better relationships and improves your overall workflow. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Contacts tab. If you do not see it, open the app launcher and search for Contacts. Once you are there, click on the New button to create a new contact. Enter basic details such as name, email, phone number, company, and any other relevant information, then click Save. After creating contacts, you can easily update them whenever needed. Open any contact record and click on Edit to modify details like phone number, email, or job title. Keeping your contact data updated is important for accurate communication and tracking. Salesforce also allows you to link contacts with accounts. Accounts represent companies, while contacts are the individuals within those companies. This relationship helps you organize your data more effectively and understand your business connections clearly. You can use list views to manage multiple contacts at once. List views allow you to filter contacts based on criteria such as location, activity, or ownership. This makes it easy to find specific contacts quickly. You can also create custom list views to suit your needs. Another useful feature is activity tracking. You can log calls, emails, meetings, and tasks directly within a contact record. This ensures that all interactions are recorded in one place, giving you a complete history of communication. To improve efficiency, you can use features like importing contacts in bulk using data import tools. This saves time when adding large numbers of contacts. You can also use automation to assign contacts or send follow-up reminders. In short, managing contacts in Salesforce involves creating records, updating information, linking them to accounts, organizing with list views, and tracking activities. Now that you understand the basics, start managing your contacts effectively and build stronger relationships using Salesforce. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.